we're gonna give you Vietnam country report that related property market in the pandemic. In our presentation, we divide two main parts, Vietnam economic outlook and Vietnam property market. When it comes to population, labor, and employment, according to General Statistics Office, the total population in Vietnam was estimated at 97.6 million people in 2020. And Vietnam labor force participation rate is updated quarterly, available from March 2011 to December 2020, with an average rate of 76.8%. In terms of economic indicators, the GDP in Vietnam was $271.16 billion US dollar in 2020, according to official data from the World Bank. Vietnam's gross domestic product shrunk by 6.17% year-on-year in the third quarter of 2021. Full year growth may come at 3.5% to 4%, according to Planning and Investment Ministry estimate, significantly lower than the government initial target of about 6.5%. Now have a look at valuation professional in Vietnam. In 2017, total valuation enterprises is around 218 companies with 1,020 practicing valuers. After 4 years, in 2021, the number of valuation enterprises is around 333 with practicing valuers was estimated at 1,700. Based on chart, we can see that the impact of the pandemic can already be seen in this area. Significantly, none of professional certificates have been granted in 2020 and 2021 due to the pandemic. The second part is Vietnam property market overview with two biggest cities in Vietnam, Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. In terms of Hanoi retail market, in Q3 2021, the retail market continued to see heavy impact of the fourth wave of COVID-19 and strict pandemic prevention measures compared to the same period from last year. The retail market has not improved significantly. Average asking rent in the Hanoi CBD area have been on a downward trend, decreased by 1% quarter-on-quarter, while increased 4% year-on-year. Vacancy rates in the CBD have a slightly decreased, reaching 10.5%. Moving forward to Ho Chi Minh City retail market. In Q3 2021, the market did not welcome any new supply. The total retail supply in Ho Chi Minh City stayed at over 1 million net lettable area. The rental rate in the CBD was unchanged from the previous quarter, and the rental rate in the non-CBD was decreased of 3.8% quarter-on-quarter. In terms of Hanoi office market, in Q3 2021, total office supply of Hanoi market reached more than 1.6 million square meter net lettable area. Due to the COVID-19 cases, starting around May, Hanoi implemented social distancing for the majority of Q3 2021. Still, positive net absorption was recorded in Q3 2021 of more than 6,000 square meters. Average vacancy rate of existing office projects slightly decreased compared to Q2 2021. Asking rent of existing office projects in Hanoi remain unchanged compared to Q2 2021. And quarterly sales decreased 50% quarter-on-quarter due to the citywide 2-month lockdown. Primary stock decreased 8% quarter-on-quarter and 27% year-on-year. Now have a look at Ho Chi Minh City office market. Ho Chi Minh City imposed Directive 16 and forced people to work from home over the past 120 days. In such circumstances, most landlords apply support policy of reducing 20 and 50% of rental rate. The number of transactions in the quarter was 30% lower than the average of the previous 2 months. Occupancy was stable on quarter at 90%, but decreased 4% year-on-year. Rent decreased 1% quarter-on-quarter to $31 per square meter per month gross. With Hanoi condominium market, sold unit recorded in Q3 2021 reached 3,000 and down 33% year-on-year. Primary prices are forecasted to increase at 5 to 7% per annum over the next 3 years. Moving forward to Ho Chi Minh condominium market, the total new supply in the first 9 months of 2021 was down 35% compared to the same period in 2020. Based on chart, we can see the mid-end segment led with 43% and followed by high-end 31% and affordable with 23%. The number of sold units in Q3 2021 decreased by 68% year-on-year because of limited new supplies. Similarly, the first 9 months of the year was down 17% compared to Q3 2020. The average primary price was up 17% year-on-year. With the strategy of developing satellite urban areas of Ho Chi Minh City, the real estate picture in the south is promisingly prosperous. In terms of Hanoi Villa Townhouse, in the third quarter, the supply decreased 75% quarter-on-quarter and 47% year-on-year. However, with abundant future supply and demonstrated in the first half 2021, the market outlook is promising and should quickly return to pre-pandemic transaction levels. In Ho Chi Minh City, future supply to 20 and 24 is expected to reach nearly 9,600 dwellings per plot. Now have a look at the 5 key regions in Ho Chi Minh City. We can see Thủ Đức City has a greatest share at 33%, followed by Bình Chánh with 24%. With an available land bank, good urban planning, and infrastructure appeal, Thủ Đức City continue to attract residential development. And last but not least, Vietnam industrial market. According to CBRE Vietnam, average occupancy rates of existing industrial park in 5 key northern industrial cities and provinces reaches 78.5%. Similarly, the occupancy rate of 4 key southern industrial cities and provinces reached 87.2%. In Q3 2021, demand for industrial land and warehouse slightly declined because of the impact of COVID-19 on interprovincial traveling and international flight. Recent difficulties show the need to diversify the supply chain, expanding warehouses, especially cold storage for food and agricultural products. Vietnam industrial real estate market became an attractive opportunity for domestic and international investors. And at the end, the COVID-19 pandemic significantly affects all over the world with related activity in various new ways. One of these have been property market as well as valuation. However, we believe that this is only temporary and we are pinning the hope on a rebound when the virus is put under control. Thank you for listening and thank you Cambodia for effort to organize this such online event. Thank you all.